The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Stephen, Todd, guys, very good morning. And it's Monday. And it's another chaotic day. Chris, Randy, Sue, Bill, guys, good morning. Very good morning to you. Futures are currently limit down. I'm sure. So, well, see, if for the moment, I mean, we'll see what happens, Stephen. Yeah, Ingmar, good morning and welcome to the end of the world to you as well. Guys, futures are currently limit down on the indices. Right now, gold down $52. Crude down $2.34. Everything is getting slaughtered. Ashley, good morning. Good morning. Guys, it's going to be another uh, insanely volatile trade. I would strongly urge you guys to trade cautiously, if at all. Remember the big picture. This will end at some point and things will return to normalcy. What you don't want to do, and this is my opinion, is blow up an account, and when things return, you have the inability to trade. So think about what you're doing. Think about the long term. It's another nuts trade. Silver just took off 12, and we just missed an amazing long on silver. I'm really surprised at gold and silver. I was joking with my brother yesterday, and I said, "Think we can buy silver again at $12?" And it was below that. I will take a long. Gold just popped up as well, so they're following each other. I will take a look at currencies today. We'll see what we can find. Bonds have been huge. For those of you guys that were around last night, I put some trades in member Skype that were just all winners. In any event, we're here. We'll do the best we can. I will trade a bit. See what we can come up with today, guys. So again, I just want to caution everybody. I mean, you guys can see the markets for yourself. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. There is our disclaimer, guys. I doubt we have any, even if we have news, we have nothing. Futures are limit down. They have been most of the night. Got a long in gold. 500 tick is trying to go long, but it's long on the 15 right, been long. Let me, There we go. Gold just popped quickly. Silver moving up nicely. Let's see here, fellas. Only 1,100 sellers. That's all it took, guys, to drive this to limit down. Not much. Let me take a look at some. Yen looks like it's along right here. This 95.05. Your stop would need to be 94.875. That's the yen 6J. Yeah, Euro popped just before we came into the room. Canadian dollar may get a small bid. Boy. In any event, we're here. We'll see what we can come up with, guys. DAX just dumped again. Gold hit first target on, I mean, this is how volatile gold is right now. Gold's first target on the 500 tick, which it hit, I don't have my bots on, was 57 ticks. It just hit it. On the 377 tick, 33 ticks and 65 ticks both were hit. Do not do anything silly. Eventually, this will end and things will work out. You do not want to blow your account. I do have a long in the ES trying here at 05 with a target up at 11. But your stop has to be freaking 94. And not for me, dude. I'm not taking 10 handle stops, guys. I've taken 2 trades today, live. Order flow trades. I'm up 526 and a quarter. Guys, just to give you some numbers. Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I'm not trading it either. If it slows down, I might. But to give you guys some numbers. Over the last 4 weeks trade, which is 20 trade sessions, trading a live account, generally 1 and 2 contracts. Now, there have been a few trades in there that were 5s and 6s, but generally 1 and 2 contracts. I'm averaging 6 trades per day. I have netted after fees in the last 20 sessions. I've not had a losing day in 20 days. Okay? I have been green every single day. I went back to the 15th. I could go to the 16th now, I guess, but from the 15th through the 15th, 20 days, 20 trade sessions, I have netted trading 1 and 2 contracts only. I'm not trading any size in a live account. $8,965.94. I am averaging net 448.29 a day over the last 20 sessions. So guess where I'm at? About my average. Now, I'm not opposed to taking more trades. Italy's Conti or somebody talking about a 25 billion euro package. Hang on 1 second, guys. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, guys, I'm back. Hey, Hardy. Good morning. Look at this ES, fellas. Good morning, Tariq. Yeah, let bonds pull back. I actually missed a nice long, fellas, on a bigger time frame. Listen, ES should trade back up to 25.23. That's what it looks like. 25.23. I mean, I missed a sweet long at 17.
Order filled.
All right, so gold went long on the 3-minute bot, fellas. ES is building. Let me just move this here. To bull flag, guys. We got to get above VWAP, but this thing could break out. I have a legitimate target. The gap fill is back to 2,500, but I have a real target at 25.23. Watch gold. Anybody in this on the 3-minute? I mean, this is a hell of a trade on gold now. If that gets to targets, it's a beast. Okay, Ali. Good for you, man. All right. Guys, the only bots I'm running are the bigger time frame stuff. 3 minutes on gold, 3 minutes on NASDAQ, 3 minutes on Russell, 3 minutes on the ES. I'm not, well, I have crude on the 500 tick, but it hasn't given me a trade yet. And I have the 3-minute on. Come on, gold. I didn't get it, Joe. Mine didn't fire. I'll leave this on, guys. All right, we're down to 183 ticks on the ES. Only 183 ticks. I have nothing on. Yeah, stable and tradable. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. This is bananas. Utter bananas. Watch gold. Let me see if gold is getting ready to go again. I don't have the range indicator on gold. Somebody tell me where gold is. You hit your daily, you're gone. Nice job, Patrick. Take your money and run. 127 on gold. Jeez. If anybody wants a short on the ES, you can short probably 35 with a 40 stop. That's insane, Jimmy. I don't like this choppy, guys. I don't like the tick range either. 183 on the ES. That's insane. Anybody short the ES? 2359 is the next circuit breaker on the ES. I mean, we're a ways off that. Euro looks like it's trying to go long. I'm not watching the dollar index. I've gotten rid of that chart. I just don't have enough space, fellas. You're short ES? All right. Best stop I have now is 18, which it looks like it's going to pop back to 18. It did. Get ready for a long on the ES. Whatever the long is, your stop's 18. It's long. It's long right now. 27, 26.50 with an 18. Best I have. 27. 18 to stop. Come on, dude. First target is 31. First target's 31 if you're long. May have just hit it. Hit 31 to the damn tick. There it is. Again, you should have gotten first target at 31. It hit quarter. You can move stop now to 23. You can move stop to 23. There you go. You should have first target, fellas. You can move stop to 23. Next target up is 40, 40 if you're in it, 40. Stop can go to 25, 26. Stop can go to 26 with a final target at 40. You'd be out at 26. We're down to 145. I'd really like to see this ES come below 100. Gold on that 3-minute is still hanging in there. It's flat. Down a couple ticks, nothing. Is there anybody still in the ES? Hey, Rob. Tick is trending higher. I mean, I think that, well, here comes my 40 target. I mean, I can, the volatility is so big. It's just really tough to stay in these trades without ginormous stops. You might have you've got a, let's see here. I don't know, Rick. No idea when the guys, we now trade up to 58 to 60. I have no idea when these margins will go back to normal. I suspect that. Guys, let me ask you a question. Anybody want me to go to MES? Is there anybody that's interested in MES? Fellas? All right, I'll go to MES. All right, guys. Hang on. Let me find it on my DOM. Okay. There's MES. Okay, Joe. If we pop right here, got to pop 4150 and it's going to go. There it goes. All right. I'm going to take a long on the MES. I'd like to buy it at 42.
Order submitted.
Nah. Okay. Not going to happen. It's going to 58. It's going to 58, fellas. I'm not getting this.
Order canceled.
It's long, guys. It's long to 58. It's long to 58. If anybody's in it. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Gold is still, here's gold on the 3-minute, still working. Gold is on the bot, still working it. You would have taken a little bit of heat, but you know, it is what it is, right? As long as it gets to target. $38.75 gets you to 40 half. Bonds are doing nothing. I have no trade in bonds. You ready for a long? No, not yet. It's trying. No, it wants to roll over now. Okay, thank you, Rob. All right, guys. I'm going to take a long on the yet. No, not yet. Come on, you dog. It's trying to turn up, guys. I'm going to take a long. Hang on. Right. No. Damn you. Doesn't want to break. New candle. New 5-minute. This could come all the way down to 24. Yeah, this is not easy trading, Rob. This is not fun. Looks to me like a short with a stop at 37. With a target at 24, maybe 25. But I still see longs. I still think longs. I just don't have a trade. Tick is only minus 200. I don't have anything in gold, nothing in bonds, nothing in the euro, nothing in silver. Here we go. I have literally no trades. Gold is sideways. Here comes that 24. Should bounce there. Silver looks like a small short. Again, the only bots I'm running, guys, are the longer time frame bots. And the only one that's in a trade is gold. I'm not running any other than, oh, no, that's not entirely true. I am running, obviously, ZB. Damn it. I look away for a second. We're down to 111 ticks. At least it's getting. All right, I'm going to take a long.
Order filled.
I'm long, 34 quarter. No, I can't move my stop. Damn it. Yeah, this son of a pup. That should have gone, guys. This is going to take me out.
Stop filled.
That'll be my last ES trade. I don't take losing trades, fellas. I'll stick to bonds. Consolidating in a 30 handle range. I still think longs. When it goes longs, I mean, I like gold. I don't know why bonds aren't bid. Gold has to break here. This ceiling again. All right, Jack. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Long ES if you want it. 31 quarter. Come on, man. Do something. It's going to go. I still have the same first target's 40 and then 58. 40 and 58 on this damn ES. Stop is 29 quarter. There goes gold. $72.6 is your support. Right
Order submitted.
here.
Order filled.
Come on, break up. 75.3 is my target. Come on, stink face.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm out. I still think it goes. It came close, guys. 74.8. If this catches this swing at 75.8, it's going to go. They're buying them all back in gold, guys. Look at this freaking spread in gold. Gotta be kidding me. Big buyers here, 80 and 87 at 73.8. ES, I don't know if it got to 40 first target, but it will right now. Real stop on GC, 70.7. 70.7. They're buying them all back. They're going to buy these back, it looks like. I don't know, maybe 70. But I think this will eventually get to, if it's got to get through 74.8, which is small resistance. And then it's got to catch 75.8. This is just a sloppy, ugly little trade today. As volatile as it was. You got your 40, John. Next target up is 58 on ES. 58, if anybody's in it. Oh, you're going to 58. There goes gold. Let me just show you gold on the bot. Good target now on gold is 78.7. 78.7, and then that 79.5. I think you get that 79.5, Sion. You can move stop up to 74. We're going to close to 80, probably that point of control. We're below 1,000 net sellers. They're buying gold back. France talking about new rules that would prevent firing of employees during the outbreak. New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut agree to ban dining in restaurants, limit events to less than 50. Nice trade, John. This gold is going to be a beast. Same in Illinois. All restaurants closed in Massachusetts for 1 month except takeout. Good Lord. I'll go with you, Jeff. LA as well. Ohio as well. Not here yet, but I suspect that's coming. Atlanta will probably go next. Dana, I'm sorry, man. So sorry. Happy birthday, brother. Amazon still delivering packages, guys. I saw the Postal Service out yesterday delivering packages. $8 a.m. to 11 p.m., I assume you mean. Right? Well, we finally got anybody. There's your first target on gold. Nothing like mass panic. Anybody read the New York Times or the national news? Anybody read about those two brothers here in Chattanooga that stockpiled 17,000 bottles of hand sanitizer and whatnot? These guys are getting crucified. Crucified. Dollar bottles. Dollar bottles of hand sanitizer they're selling for 70 and $80. These guys are criminal. Just criminal. They said they were going to donate it. I don't know if they did or they did not yet. But they're not they're right here. Gold has hit the volume point of control. Let's see here. It's not so Dean said I just missed a post. Let me see where it is. I saw Dean. Let me find it. There it is. If you want a no-nonsense clinical evaluation, articles in Natural Lib Med place, pathogenicity as low, transmission as moderate, as it only passed directly from person to person via respiratory droplets, and there is no known animal reservoir like rats for the plague or insect carrier like mosquitoes. 3-minute on the NASDAQ is trying to turn up. Whether it can or not, who knows? But it's trying. Guys, obviously I'm not taking many trades. The goal is to make money. These are not times to get silly, greedy. Do I have anybody in the room that's down? If you've not taken any trades, that's another issue. But do I have anybody that's losing money right now? I missed a dang nice silver long. God darn it, man. 855. Is there anybody in the room that's losing money? Nobody? Okay. Gold is within 300. Chris, what website are you on? Are you on the Targets Trading Pro website? What website are you on? No S, all lowercase. Yes, it does work. I promise. There it is. ES is headed to 25.23 today, fellas. We're going to see 25.23. 25.23. You have a long on the ES here at 71, but it's got to get through, really, it's got to get through 77. They are, Kristen. Yep. Well, you won't be able to get into the member site there, Chris. Guys, if you would give me 1 minute, please. See you tomorrow, Chris. Did you make money? All right, good. Good job. Damn, I missed a nice long on silver. Following gold. Oh, FYI, fellas. Gold hit both targets on the 3-minute, 3-contract trade, $3,380. The only other bot that I have that's taken a trade is bonds, up 500. That's it. Again, I'm only run. Hey, Andy, I know, right? 3-contract trade, 33.80 on gold. I mean, fellas, as I've said for 3 weeks now, the only charts I'm running on the bot are the 3-minute. I'm not running small time frame charts. They're too small. The volatility is too high. I'm not telling anybody to or not to run them. Yeah, for now. For now. I mean, listen, you don't think it's killing me, John, not to be able to trade the NASDAQ? That's my favorite thing in the world to trade. It's killing me. I'm going to give you guys a target on the ES, 23.23. I mean, 25.23. You guys can write that down. You're what, 12 hours ahead, Ashley? I'll tell you what I've typically done with my guys that are in Australia is early in the morning, like 7 a.m. my time. How about Thursday morning at 7 a.m.? The 19th. Can you do it? 7 a.m. Eastern? Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. All right, meanwhile, back at the ranch. The NASDAQ's going to turn up, guys, and I will take that live. Come on, don't fire. I'm assuming that's the right price, so this is a, who knows? That's failing. The ES is up $2,000 from my last call. Jeez. Lost it. I still think we're going higher. It's only 1,200 net sellers in this NASDAQ. Not like they're killing this thing. Bonds are starting to get a little bit of a bid. Bonds are building a bull flag. 30 handles on the ES. Nice job. Nice job. If bonds break out above 10, they should get to 18. Yes, Rick, I've rolled over. We're going to 25.23 on the ES, fellas. 25.23. We got to break back above that 96 area.
Order submitted.
Let me just take a look at these markets, guys. You can look at some of the older videos on YouTube. Chris?
Order filled. Target filled.
Oh, you bastard.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yes, before the bot. We got to 98. Come on, break up here. There we go. $25.23 is where we should go, guys. Come on. One more candle. There we go. Long. It's long still, fellas. It's got to get above 98.50, and it should get to 02 to 5. 98.5 is where it's getting stuffed. Damn, failed again. Come on, don't you fail. I don't want to see this come below 92. Come on. It's longs, guys. Come on, break 2,500. If anybody's long the ES, 23 is your final target. Come on.
Target filled.
25.23, guys. Anybody in it? Anybody in it? Okay. Yeah, I'm in it too, Dana. Minis. I'm trading it on the chart trader. Cannot believe we broke that 2,500 and it didn't go. We got all the way up to stinking 8. Get up there to 23. Come on, dude. Let's go. 25.23. Who thought I was nuts when I said it? Oh, by the way, who thought I was nuts when I said it? Here's the NASDAQ. My data's slow on the ES. Okay.
Order filled.
All right. I closed it. I'll get out. Where is it? Where's price? We've hit 23 twice? What? Not in June. Come on, guys. 2506. I'm in June, fellas. June. Well, Dana, let me ask a stupid question. How do you know it's not your data? Seriously. You effed up. All right. Nonetheless, I'd have been taken out anyways. Guys, make sure that, before you guys tell me my data's screwed up, it's not your data. It's going to 25.23. It's going to get there eventually. I have 875 is the high. Is that correct? It's all right, Dana. It's freaking mini. What did I make? 60 bucks on the trade? I don't care. I'm just doing it to trade live with you guys. Nobody wants to trade the big one. I understand. I'm not on March. Yeah, March went to 23.5. Yeah, I'm on June. We've rolled. Dana. Yeah, I don't have the small time frame stuff on. I am not running 377 tick. Not that they can't work. It's already hit first target. I'm not running 377 ticks. I'm not running 500 ticks. Too small. My opinion. You guys, trade them as you see fit.
Order filled.
I don't know what. We could pull back to 56 now on the ES. 56. If ES comes below 74, 56, I think is a Gold, dang it. I missed another gold bid. Silver's trying to turn up as well. Gold is actually green delta now, fellas. They bought everything back on gold. NASDAQ's down to 520, 509, 508. That's it. ES is still at 19,000 and change. But they bought back 10,000 more. 15,000 ES. The Russell is in a short on a 3-minute. Got a long on the ES, guys, with a first target at 86, 86.50. There it is, 86.50 hit. Now we got to break above 87, 88. I mean, the way bonds are trading, we should be in longs. I think you can buy the NASDAQ if anybody's trading the NASDAQ right here at 74, 75, 73, this area. NASDAQ's long at least up to 95. $95 would be my first target. Yep. We got to get above 95. My target is still the same. 25.23 on the June contract. 25.23. There's your target on NASDAQ if anybody took it. You just got a quick 20 handles on the NASDAQ. Anybody take NASDAQ? You're still long ES, guys. MES. You're still long. Still long. I have the same target, 23. Okay, James. Stop on at least MES should be 83. I still think longs. NASDAQ's within 400 contracts of going green on the Delta. They're buying them all back. Europe is gone at 11:30 this week. There we go. Got a break here, 93. In Italy, in the Lombardy region, which has been the hardest hit region of Italy, cases have risen at its lowest rate in a week. Its cases are slowing down. There you go, fellas. You can move stop on MES to 88. If you want a more aggressive stop, 90. 90. NASDAQ is trying to head up. If NASDAQ can break through this area here, did anybody take the NASDAQ at that 73, 74, 75? Wowza. Lower high. Silver's a small short. Silver's a short here at 35 with a first target at 10. 45 with a target at 10. I don't like the stop. It's huge. 13040. It's 20 ticks. That's a big one. But it should get you 10, 910 first target. Oh, so we're still this week. The European markets don't close until 12:30 this week as well. Sale. All right, thank you. Anybody want a gold trade? You got a gold long. You have a gold long right here, 90.7. First target is 92.1. Come on. Give me those last few ticks. Next week as well, Ingmar? Okay. There it is, 92.1. Target hit. Anybody in gold? If not, I won't watch it. Hell, I don't know, man. I hope not. Mnuchin said anybody in gold? Okay, John. You can move stop to 90.5. You can go to break even, 90.7. You can go to break even now, 90.7. And you've got a target now on gold at 1497.
Order filled.
There's my first crude trade on the bot, small time frame stuff. 1497 target. Never mind, out. 97 hit already, fellas. 7-handle trade. Yeah, I mean, listen, that's a nice problem to have when you can't move your targets fast enough. What are you going to do? I mean, it's crazy. It's not like we're getting normal movement here, right? Yeah, listen, I agree. Just makes silver got that first target as well. No, it did not. This Russell short is still on, has not gone to target. I mean, they're getting nice ticks and nice trades, but they're not coming to targets anymore. We're just kind of up and down in a fairly big range. MES would be a short at 74 quarter with a target at 56.50 if it comes down through 74 quarter. Nice job, Rick. I'll have to get approved. I mean, I'm assuming I have to get approved for the micros again. I mean, I had to get it approved to trade the micros in the ES. I guess I'll have to do it for gold. I don't. Russell, I care less about. Here is the crude bot holding 71. Anybody that wants a long MES long 98. I had to on the ES, Randy. They had to have it approved. I don't know why. Long on the ES, guys. Stop is at 88. Stop. MES is a long. NASDAQ still has not gone to target. It's been in this trade forever. Since 1042. You know, keeps getting up into this zone and getting pushed back down. If it breaks above this 24, 25 area, 26 area, it's going to target. I mean, 85 handles is ginormous if it gets that, again, if it gets that target.
Target filled.
That's crude. Got first target, guys. I can't move. Here we go. Crude got first target on the bot. I'm at break even +1. So I cannot take a loss on this trade. Bonds are trying to turn back up. Temporary restrictions to non-essential travel to the EU for 30 days. Head of the European Commission. You got a short now trying. Come on, gold. The death toll has risen to 1420 from 1218 in the Lombardy region. Rise of new cases at its lowest pace in a week. Waiting additional information from Lombardy and Italy more broadly. This might crude is out on the runner. Yeah, it's going here. It's going to go, guys. That's big news. Yeah, I'm just telling you we should go here, guys. This should go get targets. We're down to 188 negative delta, 182. They're buying them back. No nonsense on the virus. World meters. Dean, you emailed that to me once before, I think. I think I have that. ES is going to 25.23, guys. I don't know when, but it's where it's going. Bonds are selling off. Yields are rising. Bonds are getting clipped. right back down. They're going to get it one of these times. Look at Iran. Is it increasing or decreasing? Let me write it down. Huge increase. All right, I'll look at it later. Got nothing in the euro, guys, which is fairly quiet. I'm not sure what the dollar. Here goes ES again, and the NASDAQ again on a new 5-minute candle. Here we go, fellas. Here we go. Long on gold. 93.8, 93.7, 93.5. Long on gold. Stop has to be 90.2. 90.2. First target is 96.5. If anybody's in it. 96.5. ES is going. 25.23 is where we're headed. There's gold. Anybody take gold? You got target. First target hit. Anybody in gold? Guys, anybody in gold? Is there anybody in gold? You can move stop to 94. Okay, Joe. You can move stop to 95. Stop to 96. Stop to 96 on gold if you have a runner. Stop to 96. Final target 15.05 if we can stay in it long enough. VWAP. Look at this stinking NASDAQ, fellas. Look at this trade. Look at this trade. That is it. You got 64 handles on the ES? Nice. James. I mean, this is I told you guys, I loved it. Far and away, Andy. Far and away. The biggest, yeah. I mean, we just missed that damn first target by 8 ticks. And it's 85 handles. How about ES, fellas? I gave you that target, 25.23. 25.23. 25.23. It's going to get it. 19.75. I mean, that's 60, 70 handles in that trade. Missed this by 2 stinking lousy. This missed by 4 ticks. 8 ticks. My bad. 8 ticks. It'll get it. Should. Green Delta on the NASDAQ. Bought them all back.
Target filled.
Got it. First target filled, fellas. First target filled. Now let's go get this other one. 75.35. It's break even, guys, on the runner. I got the break even button on. Cannot lose money on the trade. 25.25. My 23 target was hit. Now we can trade up to 26.10 on the ES. Nice job, Dana. We can trade to 26.10. Now, I realize most of us are not position traders, but my targets are generally spot on. Missed another. Anybody in gold still? Is there anybody in gold still? 1505 is your final target. Is there anybody in gold? Your stop is 98.5. Is there anybody in gold? Okay. 05 if you're still in it. Silver should push up to 105.
Order target filled.
I don't know what got target or where. I don't see anything on. Oh, Russell. Russell filled along and took first target on my ATM because it couldn't move fast enough to set the target at 200 ticks. 2 contracts are already off with 10 ticks. ES 3 minute did not fire a trade today. I've shut it off. Did not give me a trade. It went long on the red candle or the red background, but it hit both targets. No trade. Silver just melted up along with gold. Good Lord. I know, but we're not in gold. ES next target, guys, is 26.10. 26.10 if you're a swing trader. Long MES. Long MES. 28.29. It's going again. Stop needs to be 20. Gold's pulling back into support. Should bounce here. Anybody in MES? First target 36. First target 36. 36. Look at this. Came to 35.75. Come on, seriously? I missed by a tick. Should hit 36, fellas. I missed by one tick on that damn target. Oh, you dog. It's going longs, guys. I mean, this could be a humongous move up to 26. We could get as high as 26.36. 26.36, not 25, 26. ES is down from over 35,000 to 15,000. They bought back a lot of ES. There's 36 first target hit. Hit 36. There it is. You can, I mean, real stop, you could go to 23. Unless you want a more aggressive stop, I can give you 28, but bonds now look like they're coming back down to 78.05. NASDAQ long is still on. 142 handles, not ticks. 142 handles this thing is going to get. It's going to get it. It's going to get it, guys. Guarantee it. You can move MES stop to 32. Your final target, guys, I mean, you can just put one up at 26.10 if you want and trail it. 26.10. Oh, you dirt dog. German 10-year up more than 30 basis points. It's just a pullback here, guys. 24 should now be support, that area, if it even gets there. Nice job. 177 tick or this chart, Dean? That one. You're up 54.75. Yeah, buddy. If this gets final target, I don't even know what it's up. It's up a monster. Is that a slightly lower high? Nope. Yeah, a couple ticks. It's going to get this target, guys, at 142 ticks. Without question. Without question, it should get this. Guys, once again, give me one minute. All right, guys, I'm back. Nice job, Ashley. Nice job, man. Come on, buddy. Come on, little guy. Come on. 142 handles. $6,355 trade, guys, on 3 contracts. How about that one? Is a big one, fellas. Thank you, John. Yeah, it's okay. Anybody still holding MES, guys? Anybody still in MES? Anybody in MES or ES? If you guys want a real stop, you can use 34. I'm telling you where it's going, guys. You're going to see 26 today. Look at gold. Look at this wackadoodle gold. Okay, Tariq. All these other goofy rooms talk about it. We be about it. We be about it. Anybody have any questions, guys? Fellas, do I have anybody in the room right now losing money, real money? Anybody down? Is there anybody that's losing money? Or if you're in a combine and you're down, if you're goofing around in sim. Do I have anybody down? Nobody's down? Okay. What's 2550? Buy 2550. What? Oh, you mean real stop? $31. I mean, it should be out of the way. We're going to get a pullback in here. I don't think we come much below 24. But guys, very quickly, I'll give you the totals for the bots. I had this on longs only today because my presumption was that that's what I wanted, and consequently missed a few shorts in here, like this one here for target, this one here for targets. But nonetheless, taking only the one long trade, it's up $500 on bonds. For me, crude took just the one trade, was up 320. And the NASDAQ, which you guys have seen, is up 6,355 on one trade. And then the Russell is still in this trade long. It took the first two off because it couldn't set the target at 205 ticks. It took those off on my ATM, but the second target is at 342. So I'll leave that on. Those are the only bot trades I have or allowed the bots to take. My live account is up 518.75 on very few trades. Guys, I'm going to quickly go eat, and I'll be back in about 20 minutes. Okay, Jeff, you're welcome. Guys, I forgot one bot, by the way. This is gold on the bot, 33.80 on one trade, coupled with 63.55 on one trade, $500 on one trade, 320 on one trade, and then of course my live account up 518. So I love it when guys say, well, you know, can you make money with the bot? I don't know, can you? I mean, these two trades alone are 10 grand. 2 3 contract trades.